Welcome to LaSalle University Career Center's virtual Blue and Gold session. At the end of this session, you will be familiar with the Career Center's resources and services and why it's important to use them, the technology used for career development and major exploration, and the suggested steps a student should take to ensure success for life after LaSalle. Why should you or any student use the Career Center? There are a number of reasons to use us. I will discuss some of the top reasons students come into the Career Center. First of which is to gain impressive resume writing and professional communication skills. Employers always rank communication skills, both oral and written, as a top skill they are seeking out in their applicants. You should also be learning more about yourself. The more familiar you are with your own strengths and weaknesses, the easier it will be to craft a personalized professional development plan to accentuate your strengths and help to build upon those things that you consider to be weaknesses and make them into strengths. Craft a personalized job search plan. The more we know and understand where you are at in the career development process and what your professional goals are, the better we can assist you with crafting that plan for future success. We also want you to take advantage of our employer connections. They could be where you land your next internship or job. One more thing, research shows that tapping into the resources offered by your career center can increase the likelihood of getting a offer upon graduation. The Career Center offers a full range of career development and job search help that includes individualized advising appointments to assist students in developing their career plan, Focus to and Handshake, which I'll go over in a little bit, career readiness, which are the top skills employers are seeking and how you can develop them while at LaSalle and showcase them to future employers. We also have a number of on-campus recruiting activities, such as our on-campus interview program. That's where our employer partners come on campus and do interviews for both internships and full-time positions. We hold two large job and internship fairs each year. We are expanding our Explorer Shadow program, which is when students are able to shadow an organization in an industry for a day or two to learn more about them. And we hold industry-based network nights and panel discussions. The Career Center also houses on-campus employment, including assistance with applications and interviewing for on-campus jobs. And we hold an on-campus job fair at the beginning of both semesters, where most of the hiring offices come together to meet you, their potential new hire. We offer workshops and classroom presentations on resume, cover letter writing, and anything else that has to do with the career development process. We offer interview preparation and mock interviews as well. To go back to two of our most used online resources, the number one is Handshake. Handshake is our modern career development platform. It's designed to help students through their career search journey. It helps students find relevant opportunities such as on campus jobs, internships, part time and full time employment opportunities. It also helps our employers find students who match their needs. It's a great place to connect with other students and alumni to get meaningful advice on your job search or an employer you're interested in learning more about. And it gives you access to a wide array of career building resources. Another used online resource is Focus 2, which is a career and education planning system for college students. Some of you might be familiar with something like this. It's a self-assessment, which really measures your interest, abilities, and values and matches them up with different careers and majors. Focus 2 is guided. It takes you through a reliable, intuitive career and education decision-making model. and helps you choose majors offered at LaSalle, explore occupations that match those majors, and make informed career decisions. It can help you choose an area within the industry you are interested in, or simply give you talking points on your strengths and weaknesses, which is often a question asked during an interview process. Let's talk about return on investment. If you aren't thinking about it now, I am sure the parents who are listening are. A few key takeaways when thinking of your ROI: good grades in the right major are important building blocks, but is often not enough. There are other ways to increase value to a potential employer or graduate school. Participating in an internship, externship, research, travel study, study abroad, service learning, or community service, what we call experiential education or experiential learning. It's important to take what you are using in the classroom and apply it outside of the classroom. Visit your career center. I mentioned this before and feel it's worth mentioning again. Research shows that tapping into these resources offered by the Career Center can increase the likelihood of getting a job offer. Most importantly, start the career development process early. If you start planning your freshman year with a career counselor and your academic advisor, you will be setting yourself up for success. While all of these are great ways to increase your value to employers or grad schools, I wanted to share the 10 things you can do to become marketable to an employer, which is a four-year job. Keep your grades up. It's easier to keep up grades rather than pull up GPAs. Although GPA is not a sole indicator of postgraduate success, it is one thing employers and grad schools will pay attention to during the application process. Keep doing self-assessment. Your interest, abilities, and values change over time, so it's important to understand where you stand in your career development process. Actively explore career options. The Career Center can help you with this. Things like the Explorer Shadow program, where you are shadowing and getting a feel for what an industry is like, are important to engage in while you're a student at LaSalle. Become active in extracurricular activities and clubs. Every recruiter seeks out a well rounded student. That means GPA, but also means you're engaged outside of the classroom. If you start early, you can hold leadership positions, which teach the skills employers are seeking for interns and full time hires. Get involved in community service. There are so many ways and opportunities to do this at LaSalle. Develop your computer skills and your writing skills. These are always in the top 10 skills that employers are seeking out for their new hires. Complete at least one internship in your chosen field. This will vary by major and could go by a different name. For example, nursing students will do an externship while some science students participate in research. It doesn't matter what you call it, get experience outside of the classroom. Gain an appreciation for diversity through study abroad, travel study, foreign languages, and other courses. Most employers and grad schools are looking for global citizens. And use the Career Center all 4 years. We are here to help you with your career exploration and journey, and we look forward to welcoming you to LaSalle. Here's our contact information. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and please follow us on Instagram at LaSalle U Careers.